Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to download and install VLC Media Player in Windows 10 or Windows 11. Open up Chrome and search VLC Media Player and press enter. Select the official VLC Media Player site and select the download VLC option, and it's like 40 MB only, and it will start downloading guys in few seconds. After getting download done, click on it and install it. After the installation done, select the finish option, and now it has been opened up as you can see. And just need to go to videos, and whatever videos you want to play, just right click on the video and select open with and select VLC media player, and it will open up the video as you can see. If you want to open every video in default VLC media player, then you just need to right click on the videos and select open with and select choose another app and select the VLC media player and select always option. And now all videos will be changed to VLC media player videos guys. And don't forget to leave a like guys. Thank you.